Chapter 8, Analytics and Optimization, Tracking What Works and Doubling Down. Once your shop is up and running, the next step is to stop guessing and start growing by using your analytics. TikTok gives you the tools to see what content drives results, which products convert, and where you can improve. This chapter covers how to track your performance and optimize for more sales without getting overwhelmed by numbers. Why analytics matter. Success on TikTok Shop isn't about doing more, it's about doing more of what works. Your analytics help you identify top-performing videos, spot winning products, improve underperforming listings or content, make smarter decisions instead of relying on trial and error. When you know what drives sales, you can focus your energy where it counts. Where to find your data. 1. TikTok Shop Seller Center shows you total sales and product views, conversion rates, top products, affiliate performance. 2. TikTok account analytics from your TikTok profile. If you have a business or creator account, you'll see video views, watch time, follower activity, engagement stats. 3. TikTok Creative Center, optional, helps you explore trending products, ads, and hashtags across the platform. Key metrics to track. Watch time. Are people watching your videos all the way through? Completion rate. Higher equals better chance of TikTok boosting your video. Engagement. Likes, shares, saves, and comments show interest. Click-through rate, CTR. How many people clicked your product after watching? Conversion rate. What percent of clicks turned into purchases? Return rate. If a product gets returned often, something's off. Listing, quality, expectations. Focus on what drives actual actions, not just views. How to use your data. Double down on what works. If a certain hook, format, or product is working, make more like it. Tweak what isn't working. Videos get views but no clicks. Try improving your CTA. If clicks don't convert, optimize your listing or offer. Test consistently. Try new hooks, sounds, hashtags, and content styles every week, then use analytics to pick the winners. Review weekly. Don't overanalyze daily. Set a time each week to check results and plan your next content moves. Track your progress. Use a simple spreadsheet or app to log your top videos, best performing products, and experiments. Bonus, tools that can help. As you grow, you might explore tools like ShowPlus, TikTok Shop Analytics, Minea/Pipiads, Product and Ad Tracking, Google Sheets or Notion for manual content tracking and planning. These aren't required, just helpful once you're ready to scale. Key takeaway. Analytics are your roadmap. Instead of blindly creating content or listing random products, use data to guide every decision. Test, track, learn, repeat, and watch your results improve week after week. The next chapter will show you how to deliver an amazing customer experience that keeps buyers happy, boosts your reviews, and encourages repeat business.